Same like how you do for me, I appreciate it because better than nothing at all.
True.
So if I never own have this, so you like no one do for me, I thank you every day of my life. Yeah, bless up the one and my family then. If I never own nothing, see lads, nothing at all. So I make use of everything you want to provide for me. Everything you want to provide me, I make use of it. See? I not joke. You care what I can buy, anything I can buy, I buy and drop in.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Sonia. So we have another donation from Miss Brown for you to help out your situation from US, $40,000 from Miss Brown to help out your situation.
Miss Brown, good afternoon, and good morning, and good night. Thank you very much, because every time I pray for you special, because it's only you understand about. And God bless you, and I wish you.
Me don't know what them a pray about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Paula.
They again decent people.
Yeah.
Come look for me door.
Yeah.
Start a thing. Better than nothing at all.
Oh,
Start a thing, you see it? Yeah, start a thing, any little thing I can find and put the money towards. Yeah, I start a little thing, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the money I go towards the pumpkin, this, that, any little rare. At the end of the day, see that? So I'm not taking on for idiot, I do something good. Yeah. I ramp with no money, so I work hard for it. Yeah, so I ramp with no. Yeah.
As you can see, it's not right there, Paula.
See, as you can see, I'm not ramping with the thing. Yeah, I ask the help and I get it, so I'm sure what I can do with the help. Yeah, big time.
It's a big difference.
Like, big difference. Scallion, tomato, onion, peppers, everything. Jelly, jelly me I sell to a jelly. And jelly coconut there too. Yeah, and banana, everything.
Yes, Paula, good look.
And trapper jelly make you drink, madam.
Straight.
Sister, I'm not loaf with my thing.
I'm going to
this believe them. I can taste one of my product. Let's try them then.
Yeah. Give thanks.
Yeah, man. Wash off the art. My product this, my nephew.
Yeah. Wash off the art by Paula.
Yeah.
See it there.
See it there. One drink with family.
Go
and bless you, you see it? Look, none of move. I'm a bag there. See them, I'm done. Tell them, say me don't look too, man.
Yeah, see it there?
No man, you a drink that one, man.
No, I'm here drinking, man. I'm getting full. Yeah, see the mango them that.
See the mango them here, I tell you no about. See them here, tell them I go get you half dozen food now. See them here? See them here, I'm not no joke, yeah. See them here? No joke, if them can wrap them and send them to them, I'm glad.
Yeah.
If them can reach them, I'm glad. See
I know, so I'm doing a just there earlier, you know. Yeah, you see this?
Yeah.
Jag.
I put them up for me no do.
I make it reach.
So I can get another bread name there. Then can get another bag for you and the crew, you see it?
So give thanks, so we can make Pablo get this, because Pablo love the East Indian.
Oh, you mean Pablo, you can't eat any amount. The three over my head, just tell me when you want more, I pick them for you.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, but sorry, I couldn't get to all the blacky them too, because them sweet, you know, but they through them go drop. Yeah, through them go drop on the ground. We couldn't take them up for nobody. We not steer them way there.
Sure.
Yeah, and true, we never really have the time still, because I feature them decent one, you have to say. If you leave one something can go in the back, you see it? Yeah. No matter how small it is, I go appreciate it and I go glad for my gratitude.
Of course.
At the end of the day, you do for me, so I like to back something. Although when I do nothing, but you still appreciate it because better than nothing at all.
Of course.
Same like how you do for me, I appreciate it because better than nothing at all.
True.
Yeah. So if I never own have this, so you like no one do for me, I thank you every day of my life.
See there?
Yeah, bless up the one and my family then. If I never own nothing, see you lads. Nothing at all. So I make use of everything you want to provide for me.
Yeah.
Everything you want to provide me, I make use of it. See? I not joke. You care what I can buy. Anything I can buy, I buy and drop in.
Yes.
Yeah, and do something. Show on the seminar loaf.
Yeah, I like that because I say never loaf.
No man, the man, brother. The man can't loaf. If I do something. See that? If I do something.
Yeah.
Try something. 5, 5, 6, 6, 2, 2, 3, 3 or something. Yeah, 3, 3, half dozen or something.
Yeah, of
and
course.
back a 3 chip. Something, any little thing. Yeah, we can get 2 biscuits. I chase and squeeze out of the money when I sell and buy 2 little snacks. And try a thing. You know, my bar shelf left, I put up back now and thing. You see it? Yes, and I help a God, you never can tell. You see, man? No, I don't mix up with that. I'll be able to purpose on me and
Yeah, we'll go outside then.
yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a good look. We like the
Yeah,
look.
man. Thanks for family, man. I have many more to say.
Yeah.
I love loaf. Yeah, I work with the loafing thing. Many more to see like this.
Yeah.
You see it?
Sure. Paula shop stock out.
You have to do something, man. People them help you, you have to do something and show them what you do.
Yeah.
Why you can't loaf for the thing?
Come in the bright part.
I go and cousin.
Yeah, man, I'm cousin, man, you know.
Man, I say I heard now.
Family, you know.
Man, I'm a cousin for real life. Yeah, man. I'm a granny right here, the man.
Yeah,
Granny
come
to
see.
come from.
Yeah.
Yeah, my daughter.
Yeah, man, seriously, man, family,
My
man.
granny to come from, man. It's Ruby.
Ruby, I'm family, man, you see.
Feel mother for call my granny auntie.
Auntie, yeah, man, you see. Real family, I'm family, you know.
Yeah, man, as me say, I'm one of my family, I pink clean and go dead and make me know say my family, you know. I go along with their poetry.
You know, so what do you mean, no, so
Along me and Uno there.
what do you mean, come family,
What do you know, say family?
yeah, come from, because then I pay land, I hold out our funeral and she come see him with your granny. Granny, see him with. That's what it is.
Yeah, Lance, go around this
And
along.
people them help we and Uno too, you know.
Yeah.
Like me can give a pepper and a tomato free, you know.
You can get a grabber, we get a grabber and
Yeah, you see it.
Yeah, sure.
I'm more love and strength, man. Prosperity, man.
Sonia.
Every time, man.
Every time. No, wrap it up. Yeah. Yes, Lance.
Yeah.
Paula. Never get your name. Junior. And Sonia. You know. Yes, at least we see what Paula are doing when she put things to use. I really like that and appreciate it, you know. And she set a prime example, so yeah, what she want to do.
Everybody can follow, man.
And I to do.
I mean, I'm a jerk pan outside, I'm a jerk pan Friday, Saturday, as well.
Yeah, man, roast fish. Yeah,
Jerk
man,
chicken,
fun.
jerk back.
Yeah,
That's how
man,
we
roast
do it.
fish
Yeah,
ball.
man, do it straight,
Don't
man.
call me.
Don't call me on the side, I'm
If
there.
bad, me not lie.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Go
man,
on,
yeah.
go on. Yeah,
Alright,
man.
so
Yeah, man, I will
Sonia.
give thanks to all of them do for we can do
Yeah,
this,
man.
you see.
Yeah, and feel
Yeah.
others and
Yeah,
others
of
can come
course.
by and we can give
Yeah,
you as
man,
well.
I can give something
Yeah,
to
man.
you.
Stretch your love, you know. You show love. That's love for a show.
Of
course.
Say, yeah, and people help us so we can give a kind of strength.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you to a strength to make him get a day or two out of the thing to for himself. They don't know. Spread the love.
Yeah.
I can't go and build still, you know, put some of them seeds in the pot and get two youth to go and push round.
Yeah, man, the right thing.
Sure, the right way that.
I'm up in this, so you see it.
Yeah,
Sell
man.
it back by the pound.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yam. All of them things. Sweet
Yeah, man.
potato, the whole of them things.
So Paula, still have a donation for you. You know, towards your hustle way of the same way, where you can help out the situation. Can help stack out some more things. You know, make the ends meet. And I have $14,000 from Dan and Tony. They come from Town. We live in Brooklyn, New York now, you know. You know them? Dan
No
and
one them, we
Tony.
know them, because the name of familia, you know.
Yes, it's a 14,000 from Dan and Tony.
Why, then I'm told my place, Dan and Tony. Why?
Check it out, so.
When you don't come, when you don't land, come check me, Arriva, yeah.
Yeah.
Come look for me, Arriva. Yeah, and see where the money go to the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, see it?
Real
Yeah, me
squander
can
no
give you back something.
Yeah.
Me keep back.
Straight.
Yeah, if
Yeah.
it's even
Love.
one jelly, one pine,
Yeah.
something.
If
They're
I
gonna
roast
should
it,
say, yeah, in the flat, I will uno provide. When I see it, yeah,
Yeah.
can get back something.
So count it for me.
See how small it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Yeah. Yeah. So me
Thank
also
you, Lord, and bless the family them and Lord.
Dan and
The food
Tony
basket
from
shall never empty.
yeah, Dan and Tony that
Respect
you know.
you to
Dan and Tony.
Yeah, man,
Boy,
every
Tony,
time.
you sound like the big man when you usually help me build this game. Boy, God bless you.
Yeah.
Blessing over your life. And that Tony, boy, God good, me I tell you.
Yeah, man,
Come
Tony,
like
them
have
good.
luck, yeah.
Tony,
Them
them
lucky,
good.
man. Them
Yeah,
have luck.
Yeah.
And good people, them,
Good
man.
people,
Yeah,
man. Kind of do good work, you know. So
man.
give thanks. So you have Sandra as well too. You have $5,000 from Sandra from the UK. Yeah, so yeah.
Sandra, I wonder if I am an auntie named Chicken, Sandra. God bless you. And yeah, me have an auntie out there named Chicken. Named Sandra Williams. Yeah, God bless you. Yeah, Sandra.
every
In
time.
the UK,
Yeah.
you never know, probably she.
That me I say, you never can tell. You see,
Yeah,
Sandra, big up and bless up yourself.
Every
Yeah.
time, every time.
Yeah, give
More
thanks to
blessings.
everything what you do for me.
Yeah, man, more strength.
Yeah, yeah, and
think
everybody
your food
will do
basket
for
shall
me.
never
None of
empty.
them
Yeah,
will
every
turn
time.
back man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man, God bless
I
you.
wish them can send back something come give the whole of them one
Yeah,
day
wish
too.
straight,
Now key how small it is, yeah. If people have a pay for send it come go now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cause all that pay for send something come give me.
Express something,
Yeah, I don't know me from nowhere.
Yeah.
Like a fire, you know.
Something from something.
So they must pay for
Yeah,
something
like
to give, or they must pay
Yeah,
for give me something.
yeah.
They must spend the money and
Yeah,
make me
so you
get
care
something.
why,
So
yeah.
I know them me spend back something,
Yeah, you
they
can
me
put
something
out
reach
back and
them.
show back love and know say yeah. Push out back, if you fed it, something. Yeah,
However,
Next to dear.
Sonia, come here, Sonia.
come up from.
Come here, Sonia. I have a donation for you as well too from Dan and Tony. Dan and Tony is from Town,
Yeah, man.
living in
God bless
Brooklyn,
them,
New York. You know, $7,000 for yourself.
Thank you very much.
Bye, an interview.
Auntie Vicky.
Great and grateful for it. Thank you very much.
The count it is 7. Yeah. Oh, your throat's sick. Oh, so just can't really speak too loud.
Maybe I migrate, yes.
Alright.
Pressure.
Come soon.
She up and down from week. From week we try to get to her. She for their medical.
Yeah, Sonia. So we have another donation from Miss Brown for you to help out your situation from US, $40,000 from Miss Brown to help out your situation.
Miss Brown, good afternoon, good morning, good night. Thank you very much, because every time I pray, I pray for you special, because it's only you and understand about. And God bless you, and I will surely to do whatever I'm supposed to do to this year. And that's what I want to do. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Count it.
Thank you very much, Miss Brown, and may God bless you and your store basket and your family will never empty. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, man. So blessings and give thanks, Miss Brown.
Children, blessing come upon them as well.
Yeah.
God bless each and every donor, each and every time, each and everybody that push
you need a little help, so give thanks to one of the PR, man.
I shall be banner,
and bless you know, you see it.
Yeah, man. Shall be stressed.
That the youth, them, and them need the help,
Yeah, man.
She need a little help, and her boss, you know, she need to deal with it. Yeah, man. I'm glad to help.
Yeah, man. So Miss Brown, you see, and she here when they start, so she kind of understand the situation, you know. So
Miss Brown, our mother, our granny, our auntie, we love you. Yeah, we know business who you is and where you come from. We love you.
yeah.
You're a real woman, Miss Brown. You know we cry and you feel it. Love you, feel we cry.
Yeah, man. Blessings, blessings.
So prayer condolence goes out to you for your son, the pastor, yeah.
Balatelli.
Thank you very much. And then the two grandchildren here for me, them so beautiful, you know. So we give thanks.
Yeah, everything.
Yeah, they do about Sonia.
Lance,
Yes.
I have a donation for you as well to from Miss Brown.
Yes, Miss Brown. Congratulations. Thank you very much,
You know, so
mother.
she like the work where you put in. She said
Yes,
the fabulous just
Yeah, man, work each and every
send something
day.
for the guy with the fabulous, you know.
Yes, man.
That's
Yeah, man,
right.
because we don't road enough. We can't eat and give thanks only for put more strength on my business. And give me, we can buy more acid, more bleach powder, more disinfectant, and, you know, less of the COVID. So that's why I try to prevent the cleanness and prevent the germs from getting overpopulate the country as well. So I forget the thing clean as well, you understand? So we give thanks, Miss Brown. God bless her. Food basket shall never empty. And your children and your grandchildren, them, your husband, and God bless her each and every time. Each and every time you walk, you talk, God walk with you, drive with you, at work, at home, in your sleep. So God bless her, my mother.
Yeah.
Thank you
So
very
this
much.
is $10,000 from Miss Brown.
God bless her, my mother. Thank you, my mother. God bless you each and every day, my mother. Because we don't know if I'm honored, mother, but give thanks. Reach out to us, my mother. And we have put the money to use. As we tell you, do the steam fish and the roasting right on the front jerk chicken. So you have put in more fish, more ton meal, more liquid. And so you're going to see where you think go to my mother. As my mother gone, as I can see, I'm like I am my mother now, you know. As you can see, you know, old lady pass, Wednesday gone, my nether aunt drop out again. So I am my mother now, my adopted man. So give thanks and thank you every time, my mother. Alright? Love you, my mother.
Come on, give thanks to you, Miss Brown. You have a granny, you have a mother, everything.
Yeah.
No one know you.
When I get some granddaughter, you want them son with them kids, the Paula.
Oh.
When I'm daughter, I'm first
Miss
time.
Brown, you come watch the way you have fish. You come watch the way Miss Brown. Be that glad.
Then the more than a girl.
Me no busy with French one there, Miss Brown. Me da come watch two slip for you. I could like it.
I'm going to come cut the land. I'm fix the line.
Anything you want.
You come to the plumbing.
Me turn your help for free.
I'm a can cook as well, so me do all cooking. You don't have to cook again. Me do all.
Well, she's coming to Jamaica very
Whoa,
soon.
alright. So after
Come when them
can't
come.
wait for she come.
That's
We can know, so we prepare.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
ready to
can
give
know.
one.
Yeah, so
When
everything.
you come visit me, yeah, Miss Brown.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, and Karen, go do anything you want. Any apartment you go see, and Karen go tidy it up before you reach.
I'm bringing me as a chef to cook as well. Yeah, and she rub her back and rub her foot as well. And me do the cooking.
Yeah.
Alright, Miss Brown.
So we have
Style,
Junior.
yeah.
I have a donation for you as well to from Miss Brown. I know you talk said you want a little help. You know, so she sent something where you can put towards the help, yeah? So this is $10,000 from Miss Brown.
Thank you, Miss Brown, for our mother. Thank you for the donation. You know, so can do a business and thing. One more help again from TrenchTown. You know, so one love, one destiny. And you know, so me and Sonia can give strength together, blast it. One family, one family, you know, so one family, one business drive. Thank you.
Yeah, so count it for me. Yeah, so that's Miss Brown, yeah?
Miss Brown, thank you, Miss Brown, blessing, give thanks, donation. All TrenchTown people, one love, you know, so oneness.
Every time. Yeah, man, so blessings and give thanks, Miss Brown, you know? It's more than a blessings, you know? To reach out for the help.
It's amazing, man. It's amazing, man. It's amazing, man. Yeah, man. God bless each and every one. The Mark family again, respect every time. Each and every time. Still respect. Yeah, man. The shoes fit me good as well, you know, so.
Oh, the shoes fit you.
Yeah, so everything nice. So,
Scala.
see me more, pump, more weight. Yeah, man. I was on Sunday, I should buy my chali, you know, I'm a chali. I create, like the baby problem, I just create and full it up, so I walk and do my thing. So, each and every day, I try to make that day the pay off, you know, waste my days. Try to make something sure out of the day. Yeah, that time I go in. Yeah, so
every time.
Time is money.
Make
So the greatest. Help if we can help ourselves.
Nah, no time for games. Long grown now. Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright then, so we have Paula, Lance, Sonia and Junior. You know, you don't know. Bless up on yourself. You know, anything else come up, and definitely will see me again. Keep the players out and keep the fight.
Yeah, the dream team. God bless the dream team. Bless Kino. Bless each and family. God bless each and every one. Mother, father, sister and brother, stepfather, each and every one in the family, grandmother. God bless everyone. Yeah, man. God bless you. Moses, man, the part the Red Sea, man. Yeah, part the Red Sea.
You got self deliver way.
Part the Red Sea, you know, and lead people them cross. Yeah, man.
Alright then, so give thanks, yeah?
Every time.
I know definitely see me again, yeah?
Auntie as well, you know.
Yeah?
Auntie as well, you know, Debbie, you know.
Okay.
We have our business place as well, you know. I try to do our thing. I've been years now. Try to obstruct our thing. And so, just one of them there, you get our show what really taking place, our business place, it half done still. So, run the strength. She working about it still now, add up to what she love, feel build up. So, that love give her strength as well as my auntie, see how they can, you know? Yeah, man.
Brother. Yeah. Oh, go on. Flow me. Looking fresh. What I hear trim. See it there. Start up my so I go and plug me because me and say I put on a whole heap of weight. I eat down the place. Look up my can. Yeah, I eat down the place. Be a food. Be a food. How you feel, Lord?
Feel alright.
Feel alright? I take medication still. Eh? You come off fine?
Yeah, then give me a break when I go pick up some film tomorrow.
Oh, then give me a break off it.
Yeah, they want to go
In function.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm get some more tomorrow. Plumbing look fresh. Feels cool. Like cool yet.
Then someone pick up in if you go to the bathroom, man. Because every time I have somebody to call it.
Oh.
I mean, I fit brush him in the bathroom and I make him
to
trim.
the boss, yeah. Get him in the bathroom and tell him
You don't like bed?
No.
You like the water plumbing? Water cold?
Be able to find sick him up in the bathroom. Just tell him about what you want to have run. And come here. Look at the man say around there. Man say make him wash him here and do like what you tell him to do.
Oh. Plumbing with the water cold. Eh? No, the water cold sometime and talk show water cold.
I hear me and Larry. Larry says, leave nobody bring you in a bathroom. I can't have a problem with him.
Oh. Yeah, you know you have to plumb a beard from in the day when the sun hot. Even them time the water still cold.
And now beat from the day, girl them call me and make him go in there. And when I tell me I have to make him go in there and say, hey, no play with me.
I'm a beard.
And tell him to go trim and then go over jail with jail trim.
Oh.
And here they push up.
Oh. Plummy.
And then my under. Now you're a bad.
Hmm.
I'm going to call.
Look at you.
You know, Marcia, I'm going Marcia today.
I'm going to road today.
No, I want the bathroom and go today. Marcia then we go be a can go make him go in the bathroom and make him wash him and tell him to wash him. And do it. Then if me take put on roll, I'm doing nothing put on a roll.
Put on a roll on.
Plum me. Yeah. So everything look Gloria.
Not too bad.
Not too bad.
See up at the back room now, I want to fix, man.
By the ceiling?
Yeah, because rain, I went up. With something that go on there, rain clothes that went up in the drawer.
In the back room?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to get Baja come look on it. Get Baja.
I'm going to wait for the wheelchair yet.
No.
I'm going to tell me she don't like hook up like, I'm going to pull one in, go in night.
Okay.
Sean said,
So wheelchair now work now?
no, really, I can't sit down up in night. I just catch up in night. I catch up in night. The back work me more, so I don't pull on go. Because sometimes in your act.
Yeah. So if I try and say I can sort out one wheelchair for you.
Yeah.
I find out if I can sort out one wheelchair for you. Because the one where you say you have it damaged now.
Long time shabby.
Long time shabby. I'm going to sort out one wheelchair for you, Gloria.
Yeah.
Or if anyone can, while watch the program, can sort out a wheelchair for Miss Gloria. You know, that would be so great. You know, I'm going to try and put out the word and see if we can get a wheelchair for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because you see that give a back problem as well too, because she would get unbalanced.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask the donors them and anyone that's out there who can reach out for Gloria, you know, in the best possible way you can, or if you have a wheelchair, we can donate towards Gloria so she can at least have something mobile. You know, so I'm going to see if I can find out for you, Gloria.
Yeah.
See if we can get one wheelchair because it's needed.
Yeah.
So you can always go outside to get your fresh air. Because I realize I'm not really see outside for you to go wild for sure.
I'm going to go up in night, PM or something about to go to the door.
Yeah. Yeah, I will find out for you. Yeah, we'll bring some ensure for you as well too. Yeah, so you can put them.
Meantime, put them in the fridge one when they're drinking.
Yeah, yeah man, no problem. And we have donation for you and plumbing as well too. Yeah. Partner there. Put a sleeve. Okay.
Can't keep it till she come.
Yeah. So I make liquor counted for you then. So I have $3,000 from Carl and Denny's for plumbing. It's $3,000 for plumbing from Carl and Denny's. Plumbing, hold up your head, plumbing.
3. Carl and Denise, many thanks, many blessings, many love. For add this token for plumbing. Hope your food basket never empty, and Father God bless you and your family them and all of the donor them also.
Plumbing. Can tell Carl and Denny's
Carl
thanks.
and Denise thanks.
Carl and Denny's.
Yeah. Him shy, you know, I see him camera
For the
shy.
little bit.
For the liquor people, that's a plumbing always shy. And worse camera, so the man even camera shy even more. Another donation for you, Gloria.
Yeah.
From Carl and Denny's also.
Yeah.
$5,000. So they could count that for $5,000 from Carl and Denny's.
Carl and Denise, many thanks, many blessings, many love.
Yeah, go on, go on.
And prosperity for you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And you may have a blessed night and a blessed day.
Yeah, God bless you. So thank you, Carl and Denise. God bless you for your donation for Gloria and Plummy. And Plummy, when I donation for Plummy, listen, $3,000 for Plummy. This is $3,000 for Plummy from Julia from the UK.
Thank you, Julia, from the UK. Hope your food basket never empty, and thank you for this token for Plummy. It can do a lot for him, and thank you very much.
Plummy, her name is Julia.
Tell her thanks.
Thanks, Julia.
Shy. Plummy, yeah, so blessings and give thanks, Julia. Thank you so much for your donation for Plummy. And Carl and Denise, thank you so much for your donation for Plummy, and also Gloria. And may your food basket never go empty. Thank you so much for the support of the people that are in TrenchTown. That's what they need. So Gloria, we're gonna try and put the word out for you.
Yeah.
Or if any viewers or any donors watching the program,
Yeah.
we can get a wheelchair for Miss Gloria, which can have like a mobility, which can at least go outside as well and get fresh air. I kind of realized that she never really go outside again, too tough, but I never know say it was a wheelchair problem. So now we know that we're gonna try our best and see if we can get her a wheelchair so she can at least go on the veranda and get some fresh air whenever she can. Cause she said most time the house get hot. So thank you so much, donors. Thank you so much, viewers, for supporting this program. May God bless you all and continue watching over us on this journey. So it's really truly a blessing. Yeah, Gloria, so how is your hand now feeling, Gloria?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. No. Okay, then that's good. And Plummy?
Yeah.
Keep doing the right thing, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, so Gloria, take care, yeah, Gloria?
Yeah.
Until then, we'll see you again, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright then, bye.
And God bless you.
Yeah, man.
May I get Joseph to put it on too?
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.